It's important to raise awareness about disabilities. It's important to normalize disabilities, both invisible and visible, include people with disabilities into the society and not isolate them from the rest of the world. They're just like everybody else, but they just have an additional challenge. One of the biggest misconceptions there is about people who have disabilities and illnesses is you don't look sick. It's important not to judge people based on what you see. You never know what might be happening inside of them, inside of their body, inside of their minds. You never know what they could be going through. So the only thing we ask of you is that you be patient with us, be empathetic towards us. We're not aliens, we're part of the population, and we just want to be included. But you also need to understand that we have additional challenges, and we may not be able to do everything that everybody else does. I try to live my life as normally as I can. I don't let it define me. It's not who I am. It's part of who I am, but it's not the whole me. But if you know people that have illnesses like yours, then it makes you feel like you belong somewhere. It makes you feel not alone.